Hi everyone, we are going to sing Cry Me a River, Julie London version. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you share it. If you like it, comment on it. I'd like to hear what people have to say. I take all comments and, you know, just work with them. But, um, subscribe to These Likely Are, you know, the more people the better, I suppose. um, yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. Here it goes. Now you say you're lonely. You cried the whole night through. Well, you can cry me a river, cry me a river. I cried a river over you. Now you say you're sorry for being so untrue. Well, you can cry me a river, cry me a river. I cried a river over you. You drove me, then you drove me out of my head. Why you never shed a tear? Remember, I remember